Now let's understand why we are seeing these change type in almost every query. Even if we have not made any changes, we will see this change type. So what is this change type? Let's go to date query. We have not made any changes, but still they say change type, sales details. We haven't made any changes here. Even we are seeing change type. Now what is this change type? Let's see this in presentation. So data type, there are different data types available. For example, date, time, or text, numeric numbers. There are so many different data categories are available. Now, Power BI will make sure that it will check all the query and it will correct all the data type. 98% of the time, data type will be corrected by Power BI. So if we go to Power BI, we can see that almost every column has these data type A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. If we scroll towards right, we will see date icon. If it's a numeric number, we will see 1, 2, 3. So what are these? These are actually the data type. And this data type is according to the values available. For example, this column has all the text value. And because this column has all the text value, so this is updated as text data type. ABC text data type. If we scroll towards right and we see numeric number, it's a whole number. So data type is updated as whole number. If it's a date, we will say date icon. So Power BI will correct all the data type automatically, but sometimes we have to change it manually. Now, usually we don't delete this step, but by mistake, if we cross out this step or if we will ever see ABC123, there is no such data type. If you will ever see this kind of ABC123 data type, it means that Power BI is not able to recognize data type or correct the data type. We have to correct it. So how can we correct? One way, we can correct it one by one. For example, this column mark, it is all the text value. We can select text. So only for this one column, data type is corrected. But we have so many columns. Number of the columns are almost 20 columns. Are we going to update this one by one? No need. We can select first column. We can use some keyboard shortcuts can be used here. We can use Control A to select all the columns. And then we can go to Transform tab. From there, we can detect the data type. Instead, we change the data type manually. We can select all the columns and data type will be corrected. So now we can say once we click on detect data type, all the columns are updated with correct data type. And we will observe ABC1, 2, 3, especially when we will add conditional column or custom columns. When we add those columns or column from example, we might observe ABC1, 2, 3, and for those columns, we have to update data type, which we will see very soon in our other video.